Sharks, the very word evokes fear and trepidation in many. Movies and media often portray these creatures as mindless killing machines, lurking in the depths, waiting to attack. But this image is far from reality. Sharks are essential members of the ocean ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining balance and health. While sharks are apex predators, human beings are not their natural prey. In fact, shark attacks are incredibly rare. You are far more likely to be struck by lightning or win the lottery than to be bitten by a shark. Most sharks are not aggressive towards humans and would prefer to avoid us altogether. The fear surrounding sharks is largely unfounded and fueled by misconceptions. Instead of fearing them, we should respect them for the vital role they play in our oceans. Sharks are often referred to as keystone species, meaning their presence is crucial for the health of the entire ecosystem. They help regulate populations of other marine animals, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. This balance is essential for maintaining healthy coral reefs, productive fishing grounds, and the overall biodiversity of our oceans. For example, sharks often prey on sick or weak fish, preventing the spread of disease and maintaining the genetic strength of fish populations. They also help control populations of herbivorous fish, which in turn prevents overgrazing of seagrass beds and kelp forests. The loss of sharks can have cascading effects throughout the entire food web, leading to imbalances and potentially devastating consequences for marine ecosystems. Ironically, while we fear sharks, humans pose a far greater threat to them than they do to us. Overfishing is one of the most significant threats facing shark populations today. Sharks are often caught as bycatch in fisheries, targeting other species. And their fins are highly valued in some cultures for shark fin soup. This demand for shark fins has fueled a brutal practice known as shark finning, where sharks are caught, their fins are removed, and the still living animal is thrown back into the ocean to die a slow and painful death. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change also pose significant threats to shark populations worldwide. It is imperative that we recognize the impact of our actions on these magnificent creatures and take steps to protect them. Section 4. The Ocean's Silent Killers. While sharks often take the blame, there are other, less discussed dangers lurking in our oceans. Jellyfish, for example, can deliver painful and sometimes deadly stings. Rip currents, powerful channels of water moving away from the shore, can pull even the strongest swimmers out to sea in seconds. Pollution, often invisible to the naked eye, poses one of the greatest threats to ocean health. Plastics, chemicals, and other pollutants contaminate the water, poison marine life, and destroy fragile ecosystems. Climate change is also warming ocean waters, leading to coral bleaching, ocean acidification, and rising sea levels. These threats, often unseen and underestimated, are silently wreaking havoc on our oceans, and it is our responsibility to address them. Section 5. Protecting our oceans. Conserving our oceans and the incredible diversity of life they contain is not just an option, it's an imperative. We must act now to protect sharks and other marine life from the threats they face. This includes implementing sustainable fishing practices, reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, and reducing our carbon footprint to combat climate change. Supporting organizations dedicated to ocean conservation, advocating for stronger environmental policies, and educating others about the importance of ocean health are all crucial steps in the right direction. We can all make a difference through our daily choices and actions. Remember, the future of our oceans and indeed our planet depends on the choices we make today. Section 6. A call to action. The ocean is not our enemy, it is our life support system. It provides us with food, oxygen, and regulates our climate. It is time to shed our unfounded fears and embrace the responsibility we have to protect this precious resource. Let us choose knowledge over fear, action over apathy, and become true guardians of our oceans. Support sustainable seafood choices, reduce your plastic consumption, and advocate for policies that protect our oceans. Together, we can ensure that future generations inherit healthy, thriving oceans teeming with life, including the magnificent sharks that have roamed the seas for millions of years. The time to act is now. Our oceans depend on it.